Hello viewers, today I will teach you rules of active passive voice. These rules are very important and these are written in a very simple way you can see here. You can use the active or passive voice chart for converting in both sides. Number 1 rule. Number 1 rule is that all active voice verb forms to be converted into third form of verb or past participle form of verb or passive participle form of verb. Rule number 2. All continuous tenses should be used here in the passive voice being word. It means in passive voice all sentences of continuous tenses you should have to use a word of being. Rule number 3. Present simple tense you have to use here is MR in a passive voice. For the past simple tense you have to use was or were in a passive voice. In future simple tense you have to use will or shall convert into will be or shall be in a passive voice. And is MR should be same as is MR. Was were should be same as was were. Perfect tenses. In perfect tenses this is has or have, you have to change into has been or have been. In the case of had you have to use had been, and for will have or shall have, so you have to use will have been or shall have been. Where you have to use should be for should have change into should have been in a passive voice, may to be changed to maybe, who should be changed into by whom. Rule number 13. Use by in passive voice. Rule number 14. For continuous tenses cannot be changed. Future continuous tenses cannot be changed. For example, he will be doing homework. If you change into future continuous tense, the answer will be homework will be being done by him. This is a wrong sentence. That's why I've written here in a red color. Next one. All perfect continuous tenses cannot be changed. For example, he will have been doing homework since morning. This is a future perfect continuous tense. If you want to convert it, so the answer will be like this, but it's wrong. Homework will have been being done by him. Here you can see been plus being. Twice they are repeating with the different forms and it cannot be possible in a one sentence. That's why this sentence is wrong, as well as the previous one. Just like it, be plus being, it cannot be possible in the same sentence. So these sentences you cannot change here in a passive voice. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence are those sentences which tells you about the subject plus object only. For example, open the door. In this sentence you can see there is no subject. Open is a verb and the door is an object. So what's the rule for conversion of it? The rule is written here in the green words. Let plus object plus be plus third form verb or past participle form verb or passive participle form of verb. These all are the same thing, it means third form verb. So the answer will be let plus object. Here object is the door. So let the door plus be plus third form verb. Here is a verb is open, so it change into opened. This is the third form. So the answer will be let the door be opened. Now for the second example here. Don't do it again. So first of all you have to write let So write it here, let. Then you have to write the object. Object here is it. So let it, and not is given here, so you have to write here let it not plus be. This is a negative sentence, so that's why we are writing here not. Let it not plus be plus third form of verb. Third form of verb is for do is do or done. Let it not be done again. So this is the answer. Modal verbs. Modals are here: can, could, will, shall, may, might, would, must, have to, had to, ought to, better, had better. In this case, you have to change these into these forms like this: can, so it convert into can be; could to could be; will to will be; shall to shall be; may to may be; might to might be; would to would be; must to must be; have to have to be; had to be; ought to be; had better be. Now this is a modal verse. So these are the rules for converting active to passive voice, and this you should have to remember these rules. So I will tell you next in the next lesson that what will you have to do for converging using these rules, how to convert active into passive sentences. So this is my today's lecture.